This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries provides 90 kilowatt CO2 heat pump system for Adagio Hotel in London by Apolia Pencheva, published August 20th, 2026. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI, has installed a 90 kilowatt, 25.5 tons of refrigeration, CO2 air source heat pump to provide domestic hot water for an Adagio hotel location in London. The newly built hotel is in London's Whitechapel neighborhood and comprises 140 units. In addition to meeting the demand of guests, the hotel's hot water system had to meet local regulations around carbon and NOx emissions, along with Adagio's own sustainability goals, which is why MHI's CO2 heat pumps were chosen. Where it gets technical, the system comprises 3 MHI Q-ton ESA30EH-25 units, configured as 1 master and 2 slave units. It's paired with 5 1,000-liter, 264 gallons, storage tanks and supplies water at 75 degrees Celsius, 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Q-ton can operate in temperatures as low as minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit, while maintaining 100% heating capacity down to minus 7 degrees Celsius, 19 degrees Fahrenheit, according to MHI. The system is designed for integration with the building management system through Modbus, enabling the hot water plant to be monitored and controlled alongside other building services. CO2 for your stay. Adagio is not the only hotel company turning to CO2 heat pumps. China-based Fashion LYD energy-saving technology has been installing CO2 heat pumps in hotels since 2015. In 2024, LYD installed 4 water source CO2 heat pumps in a hotel in Macau to provide domestic hot water and space heating and cooling. In September 2025, a CO2 heat pump chiller system was installed in an 87-room hotel in Goa, India, where it provides domestic hot water and air conditioning. The system has a heating capacity of roughly 152 kilowatts, 43.2 tons of refrigeration, and produces hot water at 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and a cooling capacity of roughly 110 kilowatts, 31.3 tons of refrigeration. In May 2025, a Mercure hotel in Melbourne, Australia, reported that it reduced its energy use for hot water by replacing 2 of its gas boilers with 270 kilowatt, 19.9 tons of refrigeration. CO2 heat pumps from Japanese manufacturer Itomic. The upgrade reduced hot water operating costs by 51%. Heating up the UK, CO2 heat pumps are finding their way into other projects across the UK. In November 2025, a leisure centre in northern England replaced its gas boilers and combined heat and power plant with 5 CO2 heat pumps, which provide a total of 1.5 megawatts, 426 tons of refrigeration, of heating and deliver temperatures of up to 70 degrees Celsius for space heating, domestic hot water, and the facility's 2 swimming pools. 2 air-sourced CO2 heat pumps from Fina G with a total capacity of 3 megawatts, 853 tons of refrigeration, were at the center of a project to decarbonize London's Clapham Park District heating network in 2025. Quotable: the Q-ton was chosen as it was the ideal solution to allow us to meet the no local NOx emissions requirement of the London Plan, and also significantly helping towards meeting our carbon reduction requirements for BREEAM Building Research Establishment, Environmental Assessment Method, and the London Plan requirements, said Mick Matthews, M&E consultant at DMS, an HVAC contractor that worked on the project.